Hi everyone, welcome back to PC Error Detective. Today I'm going to show you how to fix WinRAR book icons not showing up and make sure all your compressed files display correctly. Step 1. Open the Start menu from the bottom taskbar by clicking on the Windows icon. This menu gives you access to all your settings and apps, so it's the first place to start. Step 2. Click on Settings from the menu. The Settings window is where you can control everything on your computer, including apps and default programs. Step 3. In the Settings window, click on Apps. This section allows you to manage all the applications installed on your system and configure their defaults. Step 4. From the left sidebar, select Default Apps. Default apps control which programs open certain file types, which is why it's important for fixing missing icons. Step 5. Scroll down and click on Set Defaults by App. This option lets you assign specific apps to handle different file types on your computer. Step 6. Scroll down to find WinRAR and click on it. WinRAR is the program that manages your compressed files, so selecting it is key to restoring the correct icons. Step 7. Click on Manage. This opens a list of all the file extensions that WinRAR can handle, allowing you to set it as the default program for each one. Step 8. Find the file extension .zip and click on the current app next to it. This shows you which program is currently set to open zip files, which might be causing the missing icon issue. Step 9. Select WinRAR Archiver from the list. Setting WinRAR as the default ensures that zip files use the correct icon and open with the right program. Step 10. Repeat the same process for .rar and .7z file extensions if needed. This makes sure all your compressed files display the WinRAR book icon properly and consistently. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more tech tutorials.